In this Fortnite Creative video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a door that you can open only with specific things. So let's start off by getting a door, and the two devices we're going to need a conditional button, and we're also going to need a lock device. So to set this up, put your lock on the door. If it's connected, it will show it in blue like that, and if it's not, it will show it in red. So let's put a conditional button down. Whatever we want them to use, we have to put inside of here. Let's say I want gold for this example. Okay, I already dropped it in there, but the gold's in here now. What I'd need to do is inside of events, go and open the lock device, set it to unlock when conditional button is activated. So now when you pay 500 gold, you will open this door. Super easy to set up. If you want to create more than one thing needed, you need to change number of key item slots to 2 and then put in another item. This video if this video was helpful to you, you can subscribe to the channel, use creator code GISMO in the Fortnite item store. And if you're an absolute beginner to creating maps, I have a link for you in the description, so go check that out.